welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to share with you the top Amazon deals that you can get today on Amazon. So these are home products, kid products, products perfect for the summertime, some fashion and beauty as well. So if you're interested, keep watching. Here on my channel, I only share with you the products that I personally have purchased and loved, or that are on my wish list to purchase. Everything I share with you in this video too is either 20% off or more. Some even have a coupon code you can click when you check out that product. Everything will be linked down below, so let's get into it. First thing here is this gorgeous travel makeup case. It also has like the vanity mirror in the top lid. These little black shelves or drawer organizers are adjustable, so you can fit it to your makeup and what you have. I love this gorgeous light pink, but they have a ton of colors in this. This is currently 43% off, and you can click the little check mark underneath the price when you add to cart, and there is an additional 20% off coupon for it. Next thing here is perfect for the summertime. My 2-year-old uses these, as well as my 6-year-old. These are the chunkiest paint sticks. They are 28% off today. Next, Bent Go lunch boxes are the best, and especially in the summertime, these chill ones are great because they have a little ice pack to keep the food colder. So this is perfect for fruit in there, yogurt, applesauce, things like that, any kind of hummus dips. 40% off today. Next is a fun game that is kind of like ocean inspired. This is the Sophie Seashell Scramble. This is more geared towards like the older kids. I wouldn't let my 2-year-old play this game right now. If you have a son like me who loves Hot Wheels, this pizza Hot Wheels track is 34% off today. It has like a dragon snake that it kind of can go on, and pizza, of course, perfect for summertime. We are traveling a lot here coming up, and the Melissa and Doug Water Wows are a saving grace for keeping my little ones entertained. So this is a 3-pack. They have a couple of other kind of characters and versions of it as well, but this one in particular has the princess, the puppies, and then the regular like colors and shapes. There are a couple other like versions of this. If you click the link down below, these are 20% off today. This next toy was the toy to get for young boys last Christmas. So if you're kind of starting to think what products are going on sale right now to kind of stock up your Christmas gifts, this is the Shark Beast Creator. It is 49% off today. You kind of mix potions into like this hole, and then it will make this like beast creature. Very fun for little ones, especially like little boys, to kind of create their own monster. Again, 49% off today. Was super popular in the Christmas time. Coloring books are a must-have in the summertime, and my son's Avengers coloring books are currently 72% off today. We also love our science experiment kit. If you want something hands-on, science, educational to do with your kids in the summertime, indoors, especially on rainy days, this is perfect for you at 32% off. If you have acrylic nails, I need to put mine on again. I love this nail glue. It kind of brushes on like a nail polish, but it is glue, and then you apply your acrylic nails on top of it. Today is 23% off. My must-have everyday essential is my Power Beats headphones. These are amazing. They also hook onto the top of your ears. Today they're 36% off. I even just sometimes put one headphone in, so then I have the other one to kind of hear what's going on with my kids. Be aware of your surroundings, if you know what I mean. 36% off today. My go-to sleeveless bodysuit is currently on sale as well. This is 45% off and comes in a wide range of colors. I prefer the black. When my kids were little and itty bitty babies, we had this drum piano set. They have since kind of outgrown it since we're reaching the 3-6-year-old phase. But if you have a little one who likes to make music and is into this kind of stuff, 50% off today, a great deal. Both my kids loved it for years until they moved on to like the real keyboard piano. My favorite silk pillowcases are currently on sale as well, come in a wide shade of colors. I have the white one in particular, and these are 24% off today. Our go-to goggles, I have them for my daughter as well as my son in a bunch of different colors. I love these the best because they clip onto the back of your head, so you don't have to pull them down and mess with hair and owies and all those things. These are 66% off today. Jackson got this gift for a birthday gift and we've been playing it. Super easy to use. Even my 2.5-year-old can use it. This is the Super Mario Piranha Plant Escape. This is 40% off today. With traveling comes trash. So our car trash can is an essential must-have. I think this is $7 or $8 now on Amazon, so 35% off. Literally, we use it multiple times in the day. My kids love snacks in the car or just randomly have random trash that I need to throw away. So love this. I just kind of put a Target bag inside. Has little hooks, and then I just pull the Target bag out and reapply when I need to empty out the trash can. Really easy and keeps my car a little bit cleaner. Another baby item is this interactive cactus. It sings, it dances. It also has a mimic feature where the baby can talk to it. This is good all the way up to my 6-year-old. He still uses it. Says the little things though that he probably shouldn't say for mimic, but they think it's funny. You know, potty talk. But this is 32% off today. And then last thing I wanted to share with you is this book set. This is from Creepy Tales. It is 42% off today. It has the 3 Creepy Tales books and a great summer read. Those are my top deals for today. Let me know what you're interested in and if you like these Amazon Prime deal videos from me in the comments down below. I will keep you guys updated with my favorite products when they come on sale. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move.